Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into one of the most important skills for every English learner, real conversations. Have you ever studied grammar and vocabulary but still felt lost when listening to native speakers? Don't worry, you're not alone. The reason this happens is because textbook English is not the same as real-life English. Native speakers talk fast, use contractions, and throw in slang or informal expressions that books never teach you. But guess what? You can train your ear to understand them. In this video, you'll listen to real, natural conversations that will help you understand everyday English. We'll break down the key phrases, explain the most common expressions, and show you how to listen like a pro. The more you listen, the easier it gets. For example, if someone says, "What you up to?" you might feel confused at first. But once you realize it's just a faster way of saying, "What are you up to?" it all makes sense. This is the kind of everyday English that native speakers use, and by the end of this video, you'll recognize it instantly. Here's another one. Gotta go. It's short for, I've got to go. It's quick, simple, and super common. Once you hear it a few times, it'll feel natural to you too. Now, how can you improve your listening skills and understand real conversations? Here are a few quick tips. First, listen to conversations often. Watch TV shows, movies, or YouTube channels where people are talking naturally. Don't just watch. Listen actively. Pay attention to the way they link words together and try to recognize familiar sounds. Second, don't try to understand every word. Focus on the general meaning. Native speakers use filler words like, and like that aren't always necessary to understand the message. So don't get stuck on every little word. Focus on the big picture. Third, repeat and shadow. This means you listen to a short phrase, pause the video, and repeat it out loud, copying the same tone and speed. It's one of the fastest ways to sound more natural and improve your listening skills. If this video has helped you, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more practical lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to improve your listening skills and understand real conversations just like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.